everyone, Amanda here. So I'm just here to share a new challenge that I'm going to be posting on my group every Monday. The link to my Facebook group is in the description box below. It's called Create with Scrimpingmommy. So what I'm going to do is we're having a 12 weeks of Christmas challenge. So every Monday for the next 12 weeks and including today, there will be a free mini project digital of Christmas theme, so that you can be prepared for Christmas. I know it's slightly early, but it's only 12 weeks. So you've got a little collection if you're doing a December daily, or you want to just do a little bit of crafting with freebies. There's going to be a little bit of something every single Monday for the next 12 weeks leading up to Christmas. So this week is a little project freebie. And I've made this specific project. So you get the background paper, which I have used to create an envelope using the envelope punch board. And I did, what size did I do? I did the 4x5, I think, yes, 4x5, 4x5.5 size on the envelope punch board. If you don't have an envelope punch board, you can use the background papers to layer over an existing recycled envelope. So yeah, you get the background, which is this like I call it tartan, and Americans call it plaid or plaid. So you get the plaid paper, you get the fussy cut sheets. We've got the bow, we've got some postage kind of labels. I couldn't think of the word again. Postage labels. You've got this ready-made tag with the poinsettia and the background, and it's got some Christmas music. And then I've done this fairy or angel, rather, Christmas angel that you can fussy cut. So I have fussy cut mine, and I've added stickles to her wings, and then I've just popped her up on some foam tape, added some red ribbon and some grungy vintage looking kind of twine, and so that just goes in there. So it's just like a little envelope pocket for your journals. Just a little project. If you do a little project each week, it soon builds up to a lovely collection of projects. As I say, for your December daily or just for fun, it's up to you. So if you'd like to come and join us in the 12 weeks of Christmas challenge, I mean, it's not much of a challenge, you know, we do the work, you cut it out and stick it together. But you know, you might think of different ways of using the little printables that we do than what I do. But every week I'll come on and I'll make a little project or come up with something using them to give you some inspiration. So come along and join us. The link's in the description below. Alright, thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.